Guys, welcome back again on my channel. So in this video we will discuss about the symlink and hardlink, very important topic in Linux administration. So before discussing the symlink and hardlink, what is inode? So inode are unique inside that partition symlink. So inode is nothing but it is the unique number which is assigned to each file in the Linux system so that kernel can track that file with the metadata. All the metadata can be tracked with the help of this unique number that is called as inode. So in Windows, symlink is called shortcut, and in Linux it is called as symlink or soft link, sometimes called symbolic link. The command to create symlink is ln-s existing file name, shortcut file name. You have to mention ln-s existing file, shortcut file, and S stands for symbolic. Next is hardlink. What is hardlink? Hardlink is like a backup. It is type of backup. A parent file is, and there are very important points which you should remember, that if parent file is deleted in symlink, it will become orphan files. So what is orphan file? Orphan file is known as broken link. Let's say you have one original file and one symlink. If you delete original file, so your symbolic link file will become orphan files. It will be useless. Symlink can cross partition. This is very important. Symlink can cross partitions and hardlink cannot cross partition. If you do not mention child file name, it will create child with the same name. Let's say you are creating symlink with the help of ln-s home. This is the main file name, and here if you not mention the symlink name, so it will create by default with the as it is name which you have the original file. So it will create symlink is also with the same name as original file. Always use, while creating symlink, always use absolute path while creating hardlinks. There are some advantages and disadvantages for both the files, symlink and hardlink. So let me discuss first about the symlink. The very first advantage of this, it is easy to access. It can cross partition. It can be created over directory. There are some disadvantages as well. If parent file is deleted, child file will become orphan. Orphan, as I mentioned earlier, orphan file is a broken link or broken file which cannot be used, which is like a useless file. Similarly, there are some advantages of hardlink as well. It is a type of backup. If parent file is deleted, there is no impact on child file. In case of hardlink, if parent file is deleted, there is no impact on child file. While in case of symlink, there will be an impact. Disadvantage of hardlink, it cannot cross partition. Disadvantage is that it cannot cross partition. It cannot be created over directory. So these are the two disadvantages which symlink and hardlink have. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt till now, so you can comment me and I will revert back to you. Thank you so much.